Hello everyone and welcome back to Lingua Lidiya. Today I'm going to show you more than 30 collocations with get. If you find the examples in this video too simple, you can check out my level 2 video. Get started. Let's get started. We have a lot to do. Get away. Get away from me. Go away. Get ready. She has to get ready for work. She has to get ready, so she has to get dressed. Get changed. They got changed and got ready for bed. So they put on their pajamas. Get ill. Doctors help us when we get ill. Thank you. Thank you very much for helping us. Get married. They are getting married. They are getting married today. Get angry. She got very angry. She was angry. Get upset. She got really upset. She was sad. Look at her. She doesn't want to look at us at all. Get hungry. I am getting really hungry. I am also getting hungry looking at those waffles. Get fit. She runs every morning because she wants to get fit. So she wants to get strong. Get rich. I want to get rich, so I work hard. Get a shock. She got such a shock. She got really wet. Look at her. She got really, really wet. Get a letter. I get letters from my friends. That's why I have so many. Look at this big, big pile. Get a ticket. I can get the tickets. You can get the popcorn. Get a phone call. I get many phone calls from my boss. Get a message. I get many messages from my friends. Get a degree. I want to get a degree from a great university. Get a job. I want to get a job. I want to get started soon. Get paid. I want to get paid. I want to get paid soon. Get a chance. I want to get a chance. Get good at something. She got really good at violin. She got good at playing the violin. Get home. What time do you usually get home? What time do you normally get home? Get a phone. I want to get a new phone. I want to buy a new phone. Get a haircut. I want to get a haircut on Saturday. Get one's hair cut. I'm getting my hair cut on Saturday. Get lunch. Do you want to get lunch together? Get a bus. Where can I get the bus to Hyde Park? Get a taxi. Where can I get a taxi? Get a train. Where can I get the train to London? I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Goodbye.